Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, we are going to talk about how do you know who checks or viewed your location on Snapchat. So let's start. Now, first here, let's go ahead and open up our web browser. I actually search for this one, and here it says Snapchat doesn't show who viewed your location. So unfortunately, guys, there is no possible way that you would know who viewed your location on Snapchat. So in another article here, it says that there is no way to see who has viewed your Snapchat location. So if there are some company or apps that says that they have this functionality that you can check who viewed your location, it might be a scam, because here it clearly says that there is no way to see who has viewed your Snapchat locations. So I think this is also for privacy purposes. That's why Snapchat decided to do it this way. Now, I hope this information is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.